Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Do you know how to add related fields to related lists in Salesforce? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add fields to related lists on accounts or on opportunities or on any object record that you want to add and update fields on. So today I'm going to be working with the opportunities, and I will show you exactly what I mean when I say when I ask if you know how to update fields on related lists. So here we have our opportunity record, and here we have the details of the opportunity, right? And here we have the related, which means these are the related objects to the opportunity. And probably you want to update a field, as we have quote name, syncing, expiration date showing here. You want to update one more field on this quote and you don't know how to do it. So let's go right to the back end, which is the powerhouse of Salesforce, and update, and I'll show you how to update the related list. So when you go to the back end as an admin, it's going to take you to home, but rather you go to the objects manager, which is where you're going to find your objects and the entirety of every configuration that happens in an object. So we're going to go to the opportunity object and click into it, and we are going to go to our page layout because the related list sits on the page layout. So you're going to select the exact page layout which you use. For my case, I'm using the opportunity layout, which is the general layout for every user in this account. And then I'm going to scroll down to the related list, and you can see we have the related list here, and I will go to quotes, and you can see we have the quote name, the syncing, the expiration date, the subtotal, and the prices. Now I'm going to edit this, and then I will add probably email and highlight the email and click on add. When I highlight the email, I'm going to take it up so that it sits under the quote name. So I will just save. I don't know why this is not coming down, but I guess it's time to minimize my screen to get that effect. And this is just a quick win for us all in Salesforce. Sometimes you might try to do conditional visibility, which I've noticed, and then it keeps dragging you down, but you can't get to the end of the page. So what you do is just to minimize your screen for the sake of that record you want to update, or for that conditional visibility, or for anything you want to do, and then do what you want to do and expand your screen back so that you have your better view. So this is going to apply to all page layouts, opportunity, marketing, sales, and support layouts. If you do not want it to apply to others, you should be able to uncheck these boxes and then click OK. So when you click OK, I'm going to wait for it to load so that I can review what I've done on the quote. So I will go back to the quote. Here is it. We have the quote here, and then you see the email is sitting right here. So I'm going to save this by clicking on the save button. Go back to the opportunity. As you can see, we do not have the email here, but once I refresh this page, you're going to see the email field sitting right under the quote name. So let's wait for it to refresh and see what we have exactly. So we have the email field sitting right under the quote name. So this is just for a quick glance. So those fields that are very relevant, especially when you're talking to a contact or a lead or an opportunity, you need to make it visible and then update it to be one of the first few fields that you're going to be seeing on the related list. So probably when you're on a call with a contact or a client trying to analyze the quotes and make adjustments to it before you close the opportunity, you are supposed to be able to update this related list so that you can be at one glance reviewing this while you're on call with your client. So this is exactly how to add a field to a related list. Thank you, and see you in the next